Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you how to add home and work location to navigation. In the beginning, let's go to navigation and tap search. Now tap Home Plus or Office Plus. Select from search previous destinations, nearby POI or map. Tap OK. Confirm. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.